Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now let's talk elegance, darling. Because if you want to look chic, what you wear is crucial. The wrong accessories, they can age you instantly. They can cheapen your look and make you look outdated. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you what to wear to look polished and sophisticated. We're talking timeless elegance. Achieve the je ne sais quoi. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Let's talk jewelry. It can make or break a look. Chunky plastic jewelry? Major no-no. It screams cheap. Elevate your look. Opt for timeless pieces. Think Audrey Hepburn, Jackie O gold or silver chains, pearl earrings, sleek bracelets. Less is more. Let jewelry enhance, not dominate. Okay, next up, sunglasses. Big and blingy, fashion emergency. Those rhinestone shades? Out. Choose classic shapes. Black, tortoiseshell, aviators, cat eye. Classic sunglasses add mystery. Chic. Now let's talk handbags, shall we? Your handbag is an investment, darling. A cheap handbag can ruin your look. Look expensive even if it's not. Invest in structured leather or faux leather. Think neutral colors like black or camel. Those colors go with everything. A well-made bag elevates your look. It's about timeless elegance. A stunning handbag, it's forever. Chapter 4. Acrylic Nightmares. Let's be honest, nails can be a dead giveaway. Overly long, gaudy acrylic nails? Tragedy. They can be so tacky and scream low maintenance. Stick to short or medium-length nails. Think nude, soft pink, or classic red. So chic, goes with every outfit. Want something special? A French manicure is elegant. It's clean, classic, always appropriate. Remember, nails are an accessory. Never underestimate a chic manicure. Chapter 5. Belt it out, the right way. Belts can be a girl's best friend, defining your waist and pulling your look together. But a loud, chunky belt? It's a fashion don't. Choose a sleek leather belt in black, brown, or tan with a simple buckle. A thin to medium width belt defines your waist without overwhelming your outfit. It's all about balance. Your belt should complement your outfit, not steal the show. Subtlety is key. Chapter 6. Dangly earring disaster. Earrings, earrings, earrings. They frame your face, they add sparkle. But darling, cheap dangly earrings, they can ruin your whole look. We're going for timeless elegance here, not a costume party. Instead, opt for classic studs. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, or pearls for that Jackie O vibe. Or how about delicate gold hoops? So chic. Timeless styles complement your look rather than compete with it. Remember, your earrings should enhance your natural beauty, not overpower it. Okay, let's talk logos, people. We've all been there, tempted by the latest it bag covered in logos. But trust me, logo-covered accessories scream, "Look at me!" And not in a good way, honey. Stick to well-made accessories with subtle branding. A structured wallet? Chic. A silk scarf? Timeless. A classic leather handbag with minimal embellishments? Always sophisticated. Remember, true elegance whispers, it doesn't shout. Let your style speak for itself, not the logos. A watch is a statement piece, darling. It tells the world you're punctual, you're put together, you're important. But honey, a chunky, outdated watch? It's like wearing your grandma's jewelry. Choose a slim, classic watch with a leather or metal strap in a neutral tone like gold, silver, or black. A minimalist design always looks elegant, and it goes with everything. Remember, a watch should be an extension of your personal style, not a distraction. Keep it chic, keep it timeless. Scarves. They can be so chic, adding a pop of color or print to your look. But darling, an overly flashy scarf? It can be a major fashion faux pas. Opt for silk, cashmere, or wool scarves in timeless colors like beige, navy, or gray. These colors elevate everything. And if you want a print, go for subtle polka dots or a classic houndstooth. So chic. Remember, a scarf should complement your outfit, not overpower it. It's all about balance, darling. Hair accessories can add that perfect finishing touch. But honey, over-trendy pieces? They'll date you faster than you can say fashion victim. Stick to sleek, minimalist hair accessories. Think tortoiseshell clips, so classic. Or a silk scrunchie for a chic updo. And a metallic headband? It adds instant polish. Remember, your hair accessories should complement your hairstyle, not distract from it. Less is always more. Rings are a beautiful way to express your personal style. But honey, large, flashy rings, they can be so tacky. We're going for understated elegance here. Opt for delicate, well-crafted rings with small diamonds, pearls, or simple metal bands. These pieces add a touch of sparkle without being overwhelming. Remember, your rings should complement your hands, not steal the show. Keep it chic, keep it refined. Now let's talk tights and leggings. They are wardrobe essentials, but darling, sparkly tights or leggings, they're a major fashion don't. Save the sparkle for your personality, not your legs. Stick to classic sheer black or nude tights. They're flattering, they're versatile, they go with everything. And if you need something warmer, opt for opaque tights in neutral shades like navy or charcoal gray. Remember, tights and leggings should complement your outfit, not be the center of attention. Socks might seem like a small detail, but trust me, they can make or break your look. Brightly colored or heavily patterned socks? They're a major no-no, darling. Choose neutral-colored socks in black, navy, beige, or soft gray. These colors will go with everything. If you want a little something extra, go for subtle pinstripes or a delicate herringbone pattern. Remember, socks should complement your shoes and your outfit, not steal the show. Bracelets. They can add a touch of glamour to any outfit, but darling, excessive stacking? It's overwhelming. We're going for chic and understated, not a jingly mess. Choose one or two high-quality bracelets, like a delicate gold or silver bangle or a sleek cuff. These pieces make a statement without being too over the top. Remember, your bracelets should complement your outfit, not overpower it. Looking elegant isn't about following every trend, it's about curating a wardrobe that makes you feel polished and sophisticated. Avoid common accessory mistakes to elevate your style. Radiate effortless chic that turns heads. Which accessories have you been guilty of wearing? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more fashion tips. I've got more style secrets to share. Check the links for my favorite accessories. Hand-picked chic pieces just for you. See you in the next video. Stay elegant.